hey, if your YouTube mobile application is not compatible with your phone, I can try to fix this. So first you have to go into your browser. In my case, I'm using the Google Chrome, and here on the search bar you have to type YouTube APK file download. Click on the search, and now just go for the APK Pure website or APK Mirror. It doesn't actually matter, the websites are very similar. And now from here we have to scroll down and pick the version of the YouTube. So here we can actually find the old version of the YouTube with the date also. So I can recommend you to try the latest version. So let's try to this one. Now if you have any ads, just close all of them and then scroll down, go to the download the APK file. So click on this green button and now click to download. Click to download anyway, and now we can actually see the details. So we can follow this downloading process. After this time, we will be able to click on it and actually install from this unknown source, because it doesn't work on your phone from the Play Store. So that's the second way. Now click on this download, click to update. Now just wait. It was installed, and now try to open it. And now tell me if it works. So that's my way to fix it, and I hope that this video was useful for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.